I just as they come now, some of people be like, oh, this guy is cute, right? I mean, don't worry, I get it a lot. So my name is Iykomo. In my family, I'm the most cutest. Wow. Yeah, we are 7 boys, 2 girls. Yes, now me fine pass. Yeah. So my name is Iykomo the comedian. I tell people apart from stand-up comedy, I do stand-up modeling. Yeah, I do runway modeling. Like I run away from. Yeah, and I also I'm an ambassador of a Slimming Tea brand. Yes, it's just that it's made in Aba. It doesn't work for me. I'm the official model. So only when they want to do Zoom meeting, they go up put my face. They block it from neck down. They all just food. You understand? Yeah. So it's a good thing. I came from a place called Aba. I don't know any Igbo person here. Igbo Kwenu? Yeah. Thieves. So they say I should come to Lagos, that I will make it. They say just come 6 months. If you see the way the person they tell me 6 months latest, you will make it. So I want to tell you, the person said 6 months if you know what you're doing. So I want to tell you this is 3 years and I actually know what I'm doing. So I've not actually made it. It's just urban, one of those things I've made, you understand? So the guy was like, should come, and the guy wanted the guy tell me, the guy, say, chase your dream, It's not that I was not chasing my dream, but the dream was faster. You understand? So I couldn't get to my dreams, The guy was like, should come. I be best graduating 3rd class English student. Wow. Yeah, so they said I should come to Lagos 6 months, I will make it. So I came. I find work. No work. Work on the find. You understand? To find work in Lagos is work. Wow. Do you know that? You don't wake up. They wake up with people who get work. Oh. You wake up 6 a.m., sometimes 5, 4. You guys wake up together. When I go enter the same bus, they go VI together. You understand? The only thing I say, them, they get work. You, they go find work. Now, you can't deal 12, 1, 3. You can't go lunch with them. Break. Chop with them. Oh. You never still get work. Oh. Then they get work. Oh. And at the same company, and they see you. Papa, for now, you follow us. Then work will come close. When I come still drag for boss, they come back house. The thing I say, they get work tomorrow, you go still find the work tomorrow. So they go tell me, say, they come ask me, what did you even study? I said, I studied English. Forget what you are hearing. That's a mother tongue. You understand? So they say I should leave mainland. Mainland don't pay well. I should go to the island. They pay heavily. English, maths, ICT, they pay well. Me, I get a big boy, greed, no greedy. I can't find all those big schools. They don't beat the children, they don't slap them, those big schools. So they employed me Monday morning 8:30. They sacked me Monday morning 8:31. Yeah. So let me tell you what happened. I enter class. I teach my 5 purple. One of purple. You get all my guy. The guy they teach my 5 indigo. They don't sack us. So let me tell you what happened. So I entered the class. I told my students. I wrote surprise on the board. I said, children, who can use the word surprise to make a sentence? Now I know if you forget her name, Jennifer. She said, Uncle, come. I came. She said, Uncle, bend. I bend. Ladies and gentlemen, next thing I hear now, bye, Uncle, surprise! So small pikin don't slap you before. Say now your fellow man, you go on ginger and you know if you cry, now I can't allow them make they go break. I don't bend down big. Say we have cry, we have wail. You can't get weeping. So those kind of slap where they enter eye. They not. You go see her tiny hand for your face like this. You go. They just there. I can't say they don't go break. Next thing they get, all of them. I know the God I serve, Sha. It's not that. So they can't gather. Can't they point to my uncle is crying. I call her Jennifer. Come and she come and knock her. I can't say Jennifer surprise. I don't know say the school prepared. So yeah. Yeah, that thing. Yeah. So the school so actually that's why they sacked me. So the The next thing, one of my guys get 2 cars. He said, I should start Uber business. Say Uber, they pay for Lagos. I can drive. I have my driver's license. I begin to do Uber business. You understand? So in the course of my performance, if you don't really rate the joke, don't worry. My car is parked outside. Come and rate me 5 stars. Hello? But what be tied if I crack joke inside car, laugh. Well, I will not only end the trip, I'll end your life. So yeah, so I started the Uber business, and you see this Lagos, Lekki Fair Island guests. So this Lekki guests. I started Uber business, so Lekki guests can stress your life. Next thing, I just one day, one of my guys say, I should leave mainland. Say Market Day Island, VI, Ikoyi, Lekki. I can't leave VI, go to Lekki. Around 12, 1, 2. Now when they book you, could just day that club. See how they dance. Jennifer, what's the time? 2 a.m. Let's book ride. They'll come book me. Don't book me one day. We'll come they go. Next thing, her phone rang. Alhaji 10. That means say she get Alhaji 1 to 9. Now the 10 to and call them. Next thing I just hear, come to the hotel. I didn't very friendly with them. Next thing she just told me, sir, let's change the ride. Let's change trip. We changed though. Can't they go? She just told me, just give me 2 minutes. I'll come back. I was counting. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute 45 seconds. She just came out. Guess what? I said, madam, what? Guess now. She just showed me her phone. A lot of 250,000. I said, just for 1 minute 45 seconds. I don't know. I've been doing Uber for 6 months. All the 6 months, 250. I don't know when I asked her, how did they do, man? Actually, God will bless her. She introduced me to Allergy 4 where they do, man. So, so, man, I was like, man, I think I should come to the mainland. Island is not really working for me. I came to the mainland, But the issue, people think Uber drivers in Lagos really will make money. Fine. But would they suffer? It's very risky. It's not safe. Yes, now, you go see person name na innocent, but now I won't kill you. It happened to me now. One guy name na Friday, but on Saturday booked me. I just woke up. I saw Third Mainland Bridge as location. I said, did they go Third Mainland Bridge? When this one start? I say, wait till they use my life, they do. I enter motor. I carry the guy. When I know say problem, they agree the guy, welcome, sir. The guy no answer me. I say, sir, we have gospel, we have, hip hop, we have. That guy tell me, say, move this guy, young man. I say, yeah, I be Catholic. I have my chaplet there. I just they pray inside. I'm very full of grace. I just they pray. We can't reach Third Mainland Bridge. The guy say down there. I say down where? Say down there. I come carry the guy, reach down there. We come back. The guy asked me how much. I told him. The guy paid. Next thing, the guy dash out. He want, he want to have my one overboard. I said, who be this guy? Who I just start? That's so me and the guy just the follow. Okay, stop me. I just start this. Maybe my car be this. So I just the follow. I grab the guy. I said, okay, rate me 5 stars before you jump. You never rate me 5 stars. So it's actually crazy. No, I told people, as I came to Lagos, I noticed something about Lagosians. The complex in a tattoo, they rare for here. Everybody want to draw tattoo. But now they try for Lagos. You get one girl for where they come from, Aba. The girl draw ear for ear. Sister, you deaf? You know the ear word? I don't even understand. She won't get mine. Tracy, see the ear in my ear I drew. I said, wait. Crazy thing, like they can just, draw things. I tell girls, if you want to draw tattoo, draw things in case they ask you. You go say, this is flower, this is my parents, this is, you understand? Fine, clean. 4 group of guests, they do matching. One of them, they do birthday. They say they want to do matching tattoo. They don't say any place to draw tattoo on neck. They go draw Chinese language for neck. They don't ask the meaning, no. They don't draw Chinese language. Draw like, say, get one, all those tattoos they draw like this. You can't go straight. Matching tattoo. The next day, they can't go Chinese restaurant. As they just enter, they just notice say, say Chinese, they don't hide mouth. They are just, the murmur. Now one of them just gather more, go ask him, sir, why are you laughing? Say, your tattoo, you draw goat. I am a goat. I am a... Lagos, now they draw clean tattoo now. One woman booked me. She said she lost her mom through cancer. She wants to draw her remembrance. Just photo for here, just here. Up chest here. Get for where we go for VI. Small passport tattoo, 150K. Or just the years, they go draw tattoo. Tattoo, they fine. Get what they call tattoo oil. For where they come from, Abba, no be tattoo they call them. Now he's saying here. Go ya one because someone no lazo. Now what they call them there? In Lagos, you go draw tattoo, go. They know they disturb you. After they go use the tattoo oil, so that the tattoo go clean. For people when they disturb you, go no. The tattoo go clean, they sharp. About na red oil they use. They go use red oil, rub it finish. You go be like say carry charm. It's a more. Yeah, you do for Abba, you go draw tattoo finish one go. The guy will draw you go the shock. Now where you going to? So I'm done. Who tell you? Cut this one. They actually go, they get me antibiotics be charm. They say for what? In case you get infection. You know. Lagos, another thing when I get there, traffic. Traffic. Bro, I dey watch one international news this thing when I see CNN. Some group of Americans carry placard. Traffic in New York is mad. Oh my goodness. We go to work 10 minutes late. Before it was 5 minutes. I say, just 5 minutes and they complain. You don't come Lagos. From Aja to Aja, now 3 days without traffic. With traffic, 1 week. Lagos. Not be this Lagos where Juju, they send Juju from Benin. Then go keep us in Faja. Juju no ask question. You know ask how Lagos road day, don't enter motor. You buy gala, buy Fanta, they drink, they come. You know the thing we shock me with the Juju. The Juju day when they pray for inside bus, he shout amen. They come. When Juju no say problem, then now when Juju they 6 hours for Third Mainland Bridge, Juju pick phone, call the guy, we send them now. This traffic now die. Well, I'm telling you, it's crazy. I carry one woman from Yanokbaja. She no say the place to born na Lekki. This woman born finish. They discharge this woman. Before this woman go reach Yanokbaja, pikin don dey 2 years old. You know, sir, I say they do baptism, you know, child education for traffic. I'm telling you, let me just say this, Ago, ladies and gentlemen. You've been a wonderful day. I'm going to clap for yourself, I beg you. You know reason. I will advise the men here, you know, they say health is wealth. More they check our health. Very important. You know. More they check our health. They called me 3 days ago, say one of my uncles, he get breast cancer. Yeah, as I take shock, I take shock. I say, man, they get breast cancer. If not chest cancer now, I will say yes, it's real, right? I can't they say, why not they tell me? You know, they can't tell me, say they see me for social media, say I don't they grow breast. Say make people they help me the press, they reduce the chances of cancer. So as I just giggle laugh, no issue. I can't go Abuja, crack the same joke. As I just come down, 92 guys just come. Awesome material. Awesome joke. I like the part to say press my breast. I saw guys, they just say, hey, come off, come. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. That's my time.